Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make someone admin on a Telegram group. So if you have a group on Telegram and you want to make someone an admin, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Telegram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and make sure you're on chat and then go ahead and open the group where you want to change the admin rights. So to change the admin rights, so tap on the name itself. So as you can see, currently I'm the owner of this group. However, I want to make this contact the admin. So to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on edit here at the top right, and then tap on administrator at the bottom. From here, I'll go ahead and tap on add admin and I'll add that person. Now here, I can go ahead and choose what the admin can do. So you can change the group info, delete messages, ban users, invite users, pin messages, manage video chat, stay anonymous, and he can add new admin. So I'll go ahead and enable those features. So now once that's done, I can go ahead and tap on done. And then when I go back, you can see that now the second person has been set as an admin for that group. So there you go, guys. That is how to make someone admin on Telegram.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.